Welcome to the Center for Public Policy of the Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore. We are a multidisciplinary set of colleagues working in this area. We work as a think tank and provide inputs for the government, for the larger policy framework. We work actively in collaboration with the private sector, public sector and a range of other institutions. In terms of the department, we have faculty members who are primary members of the area. We have drawn from 4 other faculty members who are a part of other areas but have done substantial work in the policy area. And we have 2 other positions which are outreach sort of a position. We have a position for senior fellows where in the past we have had senior civil servants come and spend substantial amount of time, including one of our colleagues who worked on a book when he was here and launched a new course. We also have visiting policy and management associateship program, which is essentially targeted at our graduates who will come and spend a couple of months with us, basically from practice trying to write up something that is related to their practice, collaborating with one of our faculty members. Broadly, that is how the department is organized. In terms of our research, we do a substantial amount of research in the area of policy, broadly in areas which are related to urban governance, poverty, financial inclusion, health, gender studies, infrastructure, law and several other areas which are of interest to public policy. That is broadly our research, and we also not only do research on our own, but we also respond to commissioned research or research requests that come from outside, particularly from governments and think tanks. With the government, there are multiple ways in which we collaborate. I will talk about 2 big things. One or in fact 3 big things. One is the public policy program that we run. I will talk about that. We also run Mahatma Gandhi National Fellowship Program, about which I will talk, and we also constantly work with the government as a think tank ourselves, actively participating in policy formulation and implementation, including evaluation studies, being part of committees, task forces. We have a postgraduate program in public policy which has been running for the last more than 20 years. This has undergone multiple changes depending on the requirements of the situation. It used to be a 2-year program, but later it was reduced to a 1-year program, essentially to cater to the needs of the serving professionals from the government who are deputed to come and study here. This program in the last year, after we got Institute of National Importance under the IM Act, is now giving a degree which is a Master in Management Sciences public policy degree. This program will possibly undergo a further change in keeping with the current times, and we are planning to offer this in 2 formats. One an online offline format which gives a flexible modular approach which sort of allows you to accumulate credits and eventually get a degree, and a regular 2-year master's program. Both these are under the design stage, but they are under review. So, that is as far as the educational programs are concerned. We also do a range of training programs, short duration training programs for in-service officials, part of the government's ongoing training program, which is usually for a duration of 1 or 2 weeks as a part of our executive development programs. So, these are the 2 major things that we do as far as teaching training is concerned. Additionally, in the last year, in collaboration with the Ministry of Skill Development, we have launched a new program called the Mahatma Gandhi National Fellowship Program, which gets in a good number of young graduates with 1 or 2 years of experience to come and spend a year with us, partly in the field and partly in the institute. These young graduates are attached to district collectors. They are spread all across the country, and they are supposed to help the district collectors with skill programs in the respective districts, and the theoretical inputs are given within the campus. In addition to these activities, the Center for Public Policy also organizes a destination conference almost, which is called the International Conference on Public Policy and Practice. We are into the 15th year this year, and we have run this conference without a break for every year, irrespective of what the situations are. In fact, this year, in spite of COVID, we are going ahead with the conference, and we have not modified the dates of the conference. So, hopefully, we will be able to do it in a very innovative way this time. In addition to the public policy conference, we have an annual Foundation Day lecture, which is into its second year, and we will be doing that on the day of the foundation of the Center for Public Policy, which is not the same as the day of foundation of the institute, because the institute also has a Foundation Day lecture.